So, my friends, you wrote an essay for last week, and now I'm asking you to revise it. I know you're tired of it. I know you're sick of it. I know you turned it in. You may be happy with the grade you got for it. You may not be. It doesn't matter. I want you to revise it. Revision is when essays turn from good to great, or good enough to good. So I've written some ideas of how to revise it. First thing, read it again and again and again. Some people do better reading it out loud. Some people do better reading it slowly. I have always heard that in proofreading things that some proofreaders actually go from the back to the front to get the grammar and the spelling right. I've never done that. It seems kind of silly to me, but it might work for you. Number 2, look carefully at my comments. I'm going to try really, really hard to get your papers back to you as soon as I can so that you'll have my comments. But start revising before you've got them. Don't count on me to do your revision for you. I'm going to miss things. I promise you. I will, just like you miss things. The other thing is I only comment on the first time I see a mistake. If you keep repeating it, I don't keep repeating my comment. So any kind of error that I've pointed out, please look the rest of your paper to see if you've repeated it, because I will account off for it when I am doing your revision. I promise you. Yes, so don't count totally on me. If you just correct the things that I've pointed out, I will figure I've done all the work. I'll give you credit for correction, but not for revising. I'm expecting you for this revision to actually rethink your paper. Do you like your thesis? Is your thesis strong? Do you support it? You might want to outline your paper just to see if the organization is the way you want it. Look carefully at your quotations. Do you have the ones you actually want? Are you quoting enough of them? Are you quoting too much? You might want to send the draft to the Writing Center, preferably earlier in the week. They get them back in 24 hours, but have another pair of eyes look at it. You might want a roommate, a spouse, a friend, a child, a mom to look at it too. And email me, of course, if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm expecting your grades to go up, but they don't have to. So, let's see what we can do about making these essays the way you really, really want them to be, with enough time and energy to put into them. Let me know if I can help.